For most of the evening, we should be stuck in the 30s. Really, it could be a whole heck of a lot worse. So let's take what we get here. The New Year's forecast looks pretty nice overall. Calm winds, 32 degrees by 10, 31 by midnight. So near the freezing mark to ring in the new year, even 30 degrees by 2 o'clock. Again, with these calm winds, I don't think we're even going to have wind chill concerns. So great weather for any outdoor plans this evening. By the time all things are said and done tomorrow morning, we're forecasting a low of 27 degrees. That is mild. The average low is 15. Again, partly cloudy skies in the forecast. I even can't rule out just a little bit of patchy fog early tomorrow morning. Another nice day for New Year's Day. 49 degrees in Lincoln, maybe the lower 50s a little bit farther to the south. Winds will shift out of the northeast, which is going to help temperatures cool off just a few degrees compared to where they were today. So maybe not the lower 50s in Lincoln tomorrow, but still unseasonably warm nevertheless. Stormcast 6 a.m. Sunday morning. You can see some of those clouds. Again, partly cloudy skies in the forecast for this evening and overnight. But tomorrow morning and especially tomorrow afternoon will be partly to mostly cloudy. So some more clouds for the day on Sunday. Even perhaps a couple of snow showers in the western sections of the state. Not overly widespread, but they may be there. You go to 5 o'clock Sunday, still keeping some clouds in northern Nebraska. You see a little bit of clearing in the southern half of the state. So that's why we're saying partly to mostly cloudy in Lincoln, because we may see some breaks in the clouds at times. But that is certainly not going to stick around forever. Late Sunday, clouds will thicken, and they're going to stick with us on Monday. In fact, a storm system is going to take shape going into Monday morning. You see some snow in the western half of the state, some mixed precipitation in this chunk of real estate just to the southeast of all this snow, and this could be in the form of freezing rain. So maybe some freezing rain initially in central Nebraska. That tries to get very, very close to Lincoln. I can't rule out freezing rain in the capital city on Monday. Just depends on how cold we can get. So you see this general trend. Rain farther southeast is transition region where freezing rain will be possible, and then snow in the western half of the state. So this is just a very interesting forecast statewide. Ice accumulation potential. You'll see most of that's probably going to be off in central Nebraska. I think most locations are looking at under 1/4 of an inch, but could be enough to create some travel concerns. Again, can't rule out maybe a little bit of light freezing rain in Lincoln. Now, snow I think will be a harder bet on Monday in the capital city. Maybe a few snow showers on Tuesday, but by and large, the chance of seeing over 2 inches, that's all really confined in the western half of the state, getting kind of towards a 50-50 chance near the Tri-Cities. What about the chance of seeing over 8 inches? Yeah, a decent chance, over 50% chance of seeing that in the northern sections of the state and getting out into the panhandle. So a major winter storm could be underway, especially for these pink shaded counties where we have winter storm warnings in effect starting tomorrow night, lasting through Monday night and into Tuesday for many of us. Farther to the south and east of that, we have winter storm watches which butt up right against the Tri-Cities. Again, in this area, I'm thinking we'll have lesser snow totals, but maybe just a little bit of more freezing rain. So here's a look at our 10-day forecast. In Lincoln, rain, maybe some freezing rain on Monday, 43 degrees. Now, the exact temperature we see just depends on the track of an area of low pressure, and that's really going to dictate the impact statewide altogether. We'll be on the cool side of the system on Tuesday, maybe seeing a few lingering snow showers there. Probably not seeing a whole heck of a lot of that in the capital city. Again, 33 on Tuesday, probably our coolest day next week on Wednesday. And then there they go, temperatures rebounding right back up into the 40s by the end of next week.